What's up guys? So, eto na. Tumating na hinihintay ko from US. US outlet ng Oakley. So, via DHL, pinadala nila. So, this is our Oakley MSK3. Okay, so tumating na. This is our unboxing for the Oakley MSK3. Okay, so out of the box, we're gonna see what it looks like. Let's see what the hype is all about. Okay, let's see. So out of the box, we've got some anti-core. Oh yeah. So this is the Oakley mask. Nice. It comes with two types of filter. One reusable. Okay. The 25 cycles, and this one is the disposable filter. This is our mask. So you can see-through siya. Okay. Meron siyang dalawang part dito na velcro kung saan natin ilalagay. And then yung material niya. Ikita nyo. Maganda yung material niya. Ito yung groove na sinasabi nila para hindi mag-moist yung glass mo. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so let's open the reusable filter para at least pwede natin i-wash afterwards. 25 cycles to washing. And this is it. Okay, so meron din siyang lid shear para sa ilong. So we're gonna try it out. Okay, first of all, we need to cut this. Looks good. Like it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.